Hi, in this lesson I'll teach you how you can make a letter the subject of the equation or subject of the formula. So in this first question A, we are given two fractions and we have to make A the subject of the formula. So when you have two fractions and an equal sign between them, you can use cross multiply. Alright? Cross multiply means you take the numerator here, multiply with the denominator, and the numerator on this side multiply with the denominator on the other side. So when you take 5a times 4x, you will get 20 ax, and it is equal to 2y multiplied by 3kb. 3 times 2 will give you 6, and you will get kby. Since we want to make A the subject, we have to bring 20 and x to the other side. Since all these three are multiplied together, when you bring 20 and x to the other side, you must put it under the 6kb. So A is equal to 6kb divided by 20x. This 6 and 20 can be reduced by dividing both by 2, which will give you 3 and 10. So there are no common terms here that you can cancel among the letters. So we just write them down. K, B, Y on the top and X below. So this is the final answer for part A. Now for part B, we have x equal to this, and again we are asked to make A the subject of the formula. You notice there's A here and there's A here. Again we will cross multiply, but first we'll write x as x over 1. Now we have two fractions on both sides of the equal sign. Cross multiplying will give me x multiplied by A minus 4 equal to 1 multiplied by this, 7 plus 3a. Now when I expand out, I'll get ax minus 4x equal to 7 plus 3a. Now since I want to make A the subject, I try to bring the A terms together. One way to do that is subtract both sides by 3a. Or another way of looking at it is to bring the plus 3a to the left. When you bring the plus 3a to the left, change the sign plus to minus. So we have ax minus 3a. Similarly, negative 4x on the left side, we can add 4x to both sides to cancel out the negative 4x. Or you can see this as bringing the negative 4x to the right. Since it's negative here, when you bring it to the right, it becomes positive. So we have 7 plus 4x. When we bring the negative 4x to the right, it becomes plus 4x. Now, there's an a here and there's an a here. We can factor this out and write a bracket x minus 3 equal to 7 plus 4x. Now in algebra, when you have a letter and a bracket with no sign in between, it means multiply. Alright? So when you bring this bracket over, you must divide. So we bring this bracket over, that will become 7 plus 4x divided by x minus 3. Alright, so this is the final answer for part B.